Hi, it's Patrick with E38. In this video, I'll show you how to post-process your survey points in Emlid Studio. Before our survey, we will need to be logging on both the base and rover. It's also a good idea to back up source data for Rhinex. For this example, I'm using an average single solution for my base that I will correct later with an opus solution. I'll also collect half my points with an RTK fix from my base, while the other half will be collected with a single solution. Each point in this dataset will mark the northeast corner of the catch basins in this area. Over in Flow 360, we can see the points I collected. I'm going to update my aerial imagery with a recent orthomosaic to more clearly show how off the catch basins we are right now. Let's export this as a CSV so we can correct these points in Emlid Studio. We will also download the logs from our base and rover from the same time that these points were collected. With all of our necessary data downloaded, we will open Emlid Studio and navigate to Stop and Go with Emlid Flow. We can then drag and drop the necessary Rhinex files from the respective receivers, or grab the UBX backup and drop those in for the base and rover. Now I'll change the base coordinate from what was stored in the Rhinex header to my coordinate from my opus solution. We can adjust our processing settings if we need to fine-tune the output of our trajectory. Then save and click Process. If everything works out well, we should see a high percentage of fix in the rover trajectory. We then can drop in the CSV with our points, select acceptable solutions for them, and correct them. Let's import the corrected CSV and compare that to my original points. As expected, we can see there's a pretty consistent shift on our RTK points. More importantly, even our points collected with single solutions are now lining up with the northeast corner of the catch basins. This has been Patrick with E38 Survey Solutions. Thanks for watching.